Hi guys, I hope all of you are good. I'm going to show you today the April limited edition kit by My Creative Scrapbook. This month the kit is featuring the Lavender collection by Prima Marketing. Here is one of the beautiful paper of this collection. This is the front and the back. You've received two of this paper. Perfect to cut all these cards. And also you get one of this paper that is in foil, very gold, and the pink roses of the lavender pink roses, and on the back you have this side that is more vintage look. And you get this paper is, I think, is one of my favorite from this collection. I love the colors and the foil effect, the design in each of the cards. And on the back you have this other more vintage look. This paper is really pretty. The colors are amazing, and it is other of my favorite. I love this one, like a notebook with the foil on the top, and on the back you have this soft side. Then you receive this paper that I love with the great effect and the foil, and on the back it has blue roses. Really pretty paper, and it is from other Prima collection, but goes perfect with this colors collection. Here is other paper, more purple. You have like a map on the back, and the last paper is this one with the butterfly. Perfect to cut out all these pretty butterflies and play with them. And these are the papers that comes this month in the kit. Okay, let me show you the rest of the products. This kit is so beautiful. You will love this kit. Let me show you. Okay, first let me show you the stamp. It is from Rivera by Prima. It causes bubbles, so pretty. And then you receive a bunch of cards from the same Lavender collection. Let me show you the back of the cards, because in the front all has the same design, but in the back you will have different sentiments in each card, or designs like this one. They are so pretty. You can create a lot of things with this card. Use it as a mat, or use it as a part of the layouts, or create a mini album with them, and or making a card. I don't know, you can do a lot of things with them. They are so pretty, so nice to have as part of the kit. Okay, now let me show you the rest. And look, the stamp that comes this month in the kit. It is from Hampton Art. Lovely. Look, all these pretty butterflies and words, and you have in this package the stencil. Very nice. And you receive an ABC from American Craft. Also you receive a package of stickers, 118 stickers from the same Lavender collection by Prima. Let me open because I want to show you quickly the stickers, because they are so pretty and delicate. Let me see. I want to show you. Look at the feathers, the hearts, different words, and look, the butterfly. Oh, the hearts, pretty. And they have all this foil effect. This one has stitches, so pretty. Hearts, circles, so nice. Love the stickers. And now I'm going to show you, let me see what else. Oh, the ephemera packages. These are die cuts. Let me show you the photo, because I don't want to open this package too. Let me see. It had hearts, butterflies, a lot of die cuts that you can include in your projects. Then last but not least, I will show you the flowers by Prima. You will receive 3 packages of Prima flowers. Look how pretty they are. So pretty. And now here are the limited edition kit by My Creative Scrapbook for the month of April. I will let you in the description down below the link to this kit, and I see you soon with my first video tutorial. Nos vemos, bye bye.